Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable warn me about password reuse on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on warn me about password reuse on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search box, type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In left panel, click on App and Browser Control. Now click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find Phishing Protection. First of all, you need to turn on phishing protection, and here you will find an option warn me about password reuse. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now click on yes. Now warn me about password reuse is turned on in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.